Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's rare that I see that, but sometimes I do see. Do you partner up with companies like paving
Paver company.
companies?
Yep. Yep. So what we do is we'll do small pothole repair. If a customer calls us and says, "Can you come take a look at our driveway? I have all these cracks." If it's really bad, we're gonna let the client know that it's not worth repairing the driveway and spending the money on seal coating it, crack filling it, as well as the pothole repair. Sometimes driveways are too far gone, already beyond the point of repair, unfortunately. So
How does it get that way?